Ki Khristan em habang Khristan dei bakhat mangi ki Khristan dei ki bri chu prthei bakhat Khristan ngi.
And you know, when we call ourselves Christian, it is not we who have called ourselves this, but the people of the world
Ki
have called us
Khristan em
Christian.
la bun plat sisa ne prthei.
We have too many Christians in this world,
Henry ki Sinran em ki dan khniat.
but we have very few disciples.
Khristan la bun plat pi skrip niam yu dam ti niam de nak niam yu ngan niam ita o niam ngong pi kata o niam da niam mi tang ba duna ki Sinran.
So you see, around the world, when you ask which religion do you follow, they all have different religion they follow, but talk about disciples.
Tading ta darwai jingwai ru iko man suyap noi darwai bro. Iko man susi darwai ru. Nan sikman.
That is why is it that when they are singing Lord's song also, they are singing in such a sorrowful manner, they are not even happy about it.
Tading ta ko abang yang fi ki bangai ki jong tragi kita ki Sinran ki jong Jesus wat buat you Jesus tang man syu buat you.
But if you are the disciples of Jesus, don't follow him only for the sake of following him.
Tapi buat you long dai hat ketien boleh ru. Boleh lendat ketien boleh. Boleh ai ngo you boleh yang ni bi buat apa ding Sufi. Man la ka tayo bi zo jingrai tang tai khabre bi khaman la lendat. Umno na.
And we love to see this about you. We always have new songs coming up week after week, but when you close your eyes, you have already memorized them.
Ai kublai nam ta Sufi.
I'd like to thank you.
Kamar balai ba pi dan yo men sim jo balai ta ka dau pi la lendat ya ka ketien fi la lendat ru ya ki jingrai.
It is because you have the Spirit of the Lord, you know the word itself, and you also know the lyrics of the
Tading
song.
ta ya pi ki ba dai hat jong try dai hat su.
That is why you people who are passionate about the Lord, go on being passionate.
Amen.
Amen.
Kano teli ki kitab ha ka Bible?
How many books do we have in the Bible?
Kano? Dun bong tang riu ru.